Welcome to the channel, thanks for joining me again. Today I'm going to be showing how we fix the fault with our Thetford TRIPLEX cooker, particularly the hob on top. Here you can see it's got the oven and grill, and then it has 3 gas rings on the top, 2 medium ones and the larger one. We were having the problem with the larger of the 3 gas rings here, and the problem was that it would ignite when you press in the control valve and the ignition. It would ignite, but then it would immediately go off as soon as you release the pressure from the control valve. And this was happening all the time, so we couldn't actually use it, and it was a bit of a pain, but it was a really simple fix. All we did in the end was, purely by accident, I was just cleaning the actual cooker and the hob, and what I did was I released the control knob, and I actually did all of them to clean behind them, and I found that this nut that holds the spindle in place for the control knob, it was really loose, and just as a matter of course, just during the cleaning, I just tightened it up finger tight, so didn't overdo it or anything, and then that was it. I then, after I'd finished cleaning, didn't think anything of it, but I just tried all 3 gas rings, and to my amazement this one actually worked. So it was such a simple fix, it was, you know, quite incredible really. For some reason this centre one, which works the back there, that doesn't have a nut on it, but this one does here, that controls the front one, and that was quite loose as well. So I tightened all of them, or tightened the 2 that I could, and since then it's been working absolutely fine. So that was it. It was a really simple fix. I'm not quite sure what it is. I think it's to do with the thermocouple and the letting the gas through, but yeah, just tightening that up finger tight and it works absolutely fine now, so that's brilliant. For more tips like this, and also campervan life, what we're doing with the campervan, then please give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll catch you in a video really soon.